Well, hey! He's right there! They're right here, look at him! Look! Hey! Hi! Look, what are you? Look, they're right here!
That was awesome.
So, it is really hot. It says it's 92 degrees. And our air conditioner is not working. It's really, really warm. And it's really warm down here. The boss is sleeping, trying to stay cool. But it's really warm. It's really warm. And Abu is down here, chilling out next to the fans. We think we have somebody coming to try and put some Freon in the air conditioner. We think that's the only problem. Look, the pump works, everything works. It's just blowing warm air. So hopefully that will fix it.
Oh, it's already recording. I'm really good at doing that, aren't I? Okay, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We got the air fixed last night.
We have air conditioning. Ben is his name.
Awesome.
He did phenomenal.
Yes.
Sorry we didn't get it. It was hot. We were sweating, and you didn't see anything
Nope. So
because
he had Ben was in there.
The both of us
Was in here.
were in here.
Our cabin lights are off. We were way down into there.
Way in here, and it was dark. You wouldn't even be able to see much.
No.
However, we had an obstruction in the pipe in the pump, so the water wouldn't
Go out of the boat.
recirculate. Yeah, it was coming in, but it wouldn't
Go out.
go out. So
Ben fixed it.
it was overheating our air conditioner.
Which is why the air conditioner kept turning on.
So it would cut off. However,
However, yep,
he fixed it. And it feels so nice.
Yeah, he was so nice for coming by last night.
Yes.
We weren't expecting him until today, so that was really good that he came by. Because we had planned on spending the night outside again, as we did the first night.
And we have bug bites to prove it.
Yes, we do, but that's okay. That's okay. But we did sleep well, so we apologize for the appearance, but we slept pretty darn well last night. And Abu down there,
Slept right in front of there.
playing his spot in front of the air conditioner. Mike slept there last night. I slept there last night. And
Because we weren't cleaning out there.
yeah,
If you can see it.
yeah. I shouldn't show it, but yeah, that's the fourth bedroom. So yeah,
That is not the garage.
that is not our garage. Today it is. But Abu ended up sleeping up there last night as well. He shared a pillow with me. He's a mama's boy. But
Yes, he
I
is.
think we tired him out yesterday at the beach. So we're going to give him a chill day. So that way he can just kind of relax a little bit and not breathe so hard with the heat. It's hot.
Oh, we added lights.
Oh yeah, then here's our lights.
Juanita found these. So we added some lights. It makes in here so much brighter at night.
Yeah. Help the environment and not use the batteries, because that's really our Lucy lights. They only last for so long, but they're great if anybody's gotten them. They're
Lucy lights
great.
are great.
Very, very.
Sponsor Lucy.
Yep.
We love you.
They last a long time too when they're charged. They're
Really do.
solar.
They're very good.
So, but just wanted to say good morning and let you know we did sleep with air conditioning last night.
Yes, it is a beautiful day.
It really is gorgeous outside today.
Very hot.
And humid.
We have our shade. Our sunglasses on.
And you can possibly see our table that we built. It's
Yep, we'll have to show you that
down,
later.
but we'll have to show that to you because we got that built and put on the boat. So now we're gonna do a couple of projects, means we didn't do any yesterday.
Yes, I have to.
Reconnect the
So
black water. That's what we left last time we were here. We took it all apart, cleaned it,
it's leaking.
and it was nasty.
So I had to pull it all apart and empty it out, go and have it emptied out,
Yeah.
and then clean it all out. So it's all cleaned out and dried. So now I got to put it all back together.
Yeah. As you can see, that's Michael's project. Bye-bye.
So I get all the fun ones.
Yeah. Yeah. And we put the towels in there to help possibly with the smell that it wouldn't come in through the tubes.
Yeah.
Kind of worked, kind of didn't, but it's not overbearing, so that's a good thing.
Yeah, it doesn't really smell until you open the door.
Yeah, I know.
However, anyway, so that's my next project.
Yep.
I'm gonna eat a Pop-Tart. That'll be breakfast.
Yep.
And then we'll get started. Abu looked at me like, breakfast? Food?
Where's Abu? Did you tell everybody hi, Abu? No? He is a sweetie pie. He's done really well trying to get on and off the boat. And these steps we figured are a little bit too steep for him. He's an old man, but we love our old man. So we will let you guys know how our stuff's going later today.
Yes, we will.
So
We'll show you this when it's all done.
yes, it'll look pretty decent.
I don't think you want to see me work. So anyway, we may get a picture or two of me in my head stuck in the
Talk to you later.
All right, what started off as just a simple, we just got to put everything back together, put this back in. It's turned into
a nightmare.
Yep.
Now we have the boss doing it.
Who has on her face mask?
Yeah, because it
This
stinks.
stinks. I can put my head in.
Even Abu's hiding his nose over there.
I don't
So what an absolute mess. Just to try to get it all back together.
Because this
And yeah,
anything that won't go back on.
it is not fun. This has been blah. But anyway, we're working on it. I don't know how long we've been working on it. 2 hours? 2.5 hours? So it's
I don't know.
11:55.
Oh, longer than 2 hours.
Oh, there we go. Look at there. Longer than 2 hours. And it still ain't done. Anyway, we're working on it. Don't film me.
Uh-huh. Okay, peeps. Here's the plan. We can't get
I've failed. I have failed.
we cannot get the tube back on the other piece of tube. I know I use terms really well, don't I? So, we're going to West Marine and just buy new crapola. I know, and we are so nasty.
I have failed you, my love.
Would you stop? That's just creepy. I mean, I've got pea crap on my shirt because I had my body in there. I know.
You smell lovely.
Even Abu was staying away from us. He still had his nose hidden. So we're gonna go get all new tubes and whatever else we gotta have. Yeah, the person who put this together, we're not gonna say what we're thinking because these tubes have been sawed off.
Yeah.
It's been rigged.
What a mess.
And this type of rigging is not good. So
But we'll get it right.
So we'll
Now-
show you. This is what it looks like now,
Now?
and then we'll show you what it looks like when we have it all done. It'll be all nice and pretty for people.
That's right.
Okay, talk to you soon. Bye. Bye. How do you go, people?
Howdy.
We kind of look like we did this morning, huh? Yeah, the whole day we have been spending on the pee hole.
The black water tank.
We finally got it done, we think. We got everything hooked back up.
Yep.
We did have to go to the store and buy some more tubing. So we said we would let you see what it looked like when it's all done. Here we go.
All done.
All done. We got everything
Mounted.
and we hope
It all works.
everything works.
We haven't tested it, but we're gonna go with
It works.
it works. So, hey, we did it.
We did it.
Job well done.
Hopefully it works. And there's our supervisor.
He's
So-
asleep on the job.
But on to the next project. Again,
Yes.
I don't remember who said it. Everything on a boat.
Takes 4 times as long.
I'm going to say 6 times for us. So
Telling you.
we will talk with you all later. Bye.